Hey guys, Carlos from RealTeesFishing.com. Today we're working on a 25 horsepower outboard Mercury. It's a 4-stroke, and we're gonna go ahead and do a quick thermostat change, and hopefully it helps you out if you have this engine, and that way you can do it yourself. Let's get to it. Okay, before we remove this piece to get to the thermostat, we're gonna go ahead and just lightly loosen this one, lightly loosen that one, and the reason for it is, see that fuel hose fitting? It sits right in front of the bolt that holds the thermostat housing. So when we loosen the VST, we're gonna be able to just pull it far out enough to take that piece off. You'll see it there in a few minutes of what I'm talking about. So just go ahead and loosen that up first, and then we'll start getting to the next stuff. Okay, so first things first, we got a 10mm bolt up here and a 10mm bolt down here. So we're gonna go ahead and tackle that. I pre-loosened them for the video, just so we can speed things up a little bit. Your thermostat housing is right there, those two bolts. I am hoping that these are 10mm, and it looks like they are. Alright guys, so what I like to do when I'm gonna go ahead and put things back, no matter what part it is, I like to get the bolts and I dip them in the grease. That way, next year when we come to do the maintenance, the bolts will come off nice and easy, and there's no worry about possibly shearing the bolt or breaking it off trying to remove it. So just a little tip. Makes the whole process a little easier. So thermostat, I'm gonna go ahead and stick it back in. I like to start it by hand, just so I know that nothing is cross-threaded. Okay, the thermostat doesn't have to, you don't have to kill it and over tighten it. It just needs to be nice and snug. And the seal, that gasket will take care of the rest. If you over tighten it, you will snap those off. And that is it. Now we gotta just put it all back together. Dab of grease on the bolt. This one goes down here. we're gonna go ahead and affix this label onto the top of the cowling just to remind us when we replaced it. There we have it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like the video, go ahead and please hit the like button. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Thank you.